clarity in his mind. Who is this man? This man was once me, or you, or anyone who was born again but doesn't fully know the word. I was once carnal, focusing on financial struggle, regrets, sicknesses, and every kind of negativity. Every time God will speak to me, but I will not consider. I will ignore God and head to my corner of financial struggle. I will ignore God and head to my corner of regrets with hatred and bitterness. I will ignore God and focus on the sicknesses brought by the evil one. I had myself bound to these things. And God will continue talking to me through the word.
Until you know that you're the righteousness of God, you never do righteous things. Until you know that you are rich, you never walk like a rich man. Until you know that you're not poor, you never walk like a great man. Until you know that you're not less privileged.
When it came to periods when I couldn't do it anymore, and for the first time ever in my life, I saw the light.
And once you know those things, you start speaking it. You start saying, God loves me. I cannot fail in this life. I'm getting, I cannot be disadvantaged in this life.
And I had to accept it. Then I learned how to pray and seek God more. And transformation came.
I love when I read the word of God and I realize I am responsible for my life. I love it because I know I can change anything.
Slowly by slowly, I expanded. Slowly, I grew. Slowly, this affliction broke. And then slowly, they departed. That is the healing. Shines in darkness, and darkness comprehends it not. That is the work that the word of God comes to do. Remember, I'm just a representation of all of us here. We just have to set this lighting up and get healed.
Alipo nani? Alipo nani?
Thank you, my God, thank you today. Oh, yeah. And I thank you tomorrow. Oh, for your love, I thank you, my God. Oh, man, I thank you today. Thank you, my God, thank you today. And I thank you tomorrow. You never disappoint, oh, my God. Oh, man, I thank you today. Every time I wake up in the morning, another day, another blessing. When I lose my job, I never worry, because I know your plans are better. When the landlord come and knock on my door, and I know today I got no money, and I cannot afford food for my kids. I know tomorrow will be better. I thank you, God. Oh, thank you, my God. Thank you today. And I thank you tomorrow. Oh, for your love, I thank you, my God. Oh, man, I thank you today. Thank you, my God. Thank you today.